Bienvenidos a la clase de español. ¿Cómo están? Espero que estén excelente, maravillosas, ¿sí? Muy bueno. So, let's start today's class. Pues, hoy vamos a aprender usage of estar. As I've told you earlier, today we are going to learn about usage of estar, right? Okay, so EMPECEMOS, usage of estar. Okay, estar is used to express aspects that are not inherent or that can be changed. Basically, in other words, you can see that we will use estar for temporary condition, temporary aspects. Okay, as we have learned that ser will use for permanent aspects and estar we will use estar for temporary aspects. Okay, let's start with our first example, that is location or position of a person or a thing. Okay, por ejemplo, el restaurante está en la esquina. The restaurant is at the corner. Okay, that is the position. Okay, the position can be changed. The position of a person can be changed. Okay, so in this situation we will use estar instead of ser. Okay, next one, the constantly changing aspects, like el café está frío means the coffee is cold. It's a temporary condition, right? Another example that is very common for us, that is estoy muy bueno. See, that is also temporary condition, right? After some time we can say that estoy enferma or estoy mal. Okay, that is also a temporary condition. After some time we can again feel that estoy muy bueno. See, so in that case also we are using estar. See, and here we are not using ser, right? The next one, that is state or condition of a subject, like el abuela está vivo means the grandmother is alive. Okay, and the next one is very important. Listen it very carefully. Estar is used with the gerund to the form of progressive verb, means for ing verbs we will use estar. Okay, for ing verb we will use estar, like nosotros estamos hablando es español, means we are speaking in Spanish, right? For ing verbs we are going to use estar. Okay, we will use estar actually. Okay, so for weather also we will use estar. Sometime we will use hacer also, that we will learn afterwards. So we have learned that basically estar, we will use estar for radical changing conditions or aspects, or temporary condition or aspects, right? So eso es todo. I hope you can understand when we will use estar and when we will use ser. Okay, again I'm going to share that page, write down everything and try to understand the difference between ser and estar, and when we will use ser and when we will use estar. Okay, and try to make sentences with that. Okay, we will do that in our next classes. We will try to make sentences with estar also. We will do some activities or worksheets. So pues eso es todo. Cuídate. Hasta luego. Adiós.